Let's move on to the next person who has flair for English. Very loving and caring person. HOD of English at Gitanjali Devashre. She's MA in English Literature and also done PGDELT. She's from the Twin City of Sikandrabad. Let's welcome Milk Peak performers Sujata Balaji.
Yes, Sujata.
Am I audible conveniently?
Yeah.
Good evening, honorable ladies and gentlemen. It's definitely a pride to be associated with MILT and a great transformation that has happened over these 4 weeks. Just not the weekend, but it got carried over throughout the week. So my pledge here is I'm going to practice what I've learned here and I'm going to preach, and hopefully I would garner a lot of response from people around me for this course enrollment. Just not the study, but a practice till the last breath, eternity. Just as we say learning is eternal, I wish to continue with MILT until eternity. And my transformation here is what you speak comes later, how you speak matters a lot. The other one is one of the principles of HR of MILT. Never get even. I am possible and I shall practice this, what I am going to preach around me. Thank you once again, Daniel sir and Velu sir, for all the encouragement, motivation, and all my team members of PPW 16, and a special mention to the MCs who are steering us through this evening. Thank you, Ms. Seema and Ms. Vidya. God bless.
Now, we have a person who has got beauty and a brain, who is willing to explore and excel. She's done an MCOM and an MBA and an actress. Let's welcome, she is from Hyderabad, MILT peak performer Madhavi Vutla.
Thank you so much, Vidya. This is Madhavi Utla from Hyderabad, as she said, but I am a person who would like to stay in everybody's heart. That's what, in short, MILT PPW has taught me. I actually thought I'm cup full and then I'm, plenty of knowledge. But then what I understood by coming to MILT and what I have understood by doing this PPW is, if your cup is full, you should also understand how you have to walk steady. And that steadiness and that calmness, that composedness is what, a shape is what it is given in a very short, it is short and sweet, but it's got immense knowledge, not just knowledge, but also a lot of power to me, a confidence. I hope even Sujata ma'am saw me speaking, and even Danny knows that I speak, but then the way I'm contributing, or, the way I'm contributing to myself is, enormous. And then I'm highly thankful, Danny, for introducing me to this PPW, and I'm highly thankful to letting me know that MILT exists. I'm sure my life is going to evolve more and more, and I'm looking forward for it. Thank you so much.
So, ladies and gentlemen, hold on your breath. Now we have a bold, a courageous person who has got a strong conviction and willing to stand by it at any cost. She's a BSc graduate and also applied MSc Applied Psychology. She is currently working in NLP trainer in Drug Addiction Rehabilitation Center, working as a coordinator in SKIC, meaning Successful Kids International Care. She is from the land of temples, Nagarkoil, Tamil Nadu. Let's welcome MILT peak performer Kanaka Pratap.
Yeah, Kanaka.
My heartfelt salutation to each and every Miltonian present in this platform. I'd like to congratulate my batchmates and myself going to have the graduation in the MILT. I have got a great transformation I got from the class. That is, it helps me to develop my script writing skill and my speaking skill, especially how to impress my audience, as well as how to express my thoughts and ideas in a very different manner. It teaches me the human values and the human relation principles and how to be a self-disciplined citizen. And I understood the quality of leadership, how to empower myself as well as how to empower others. And it shows the rose petal, the spiritual path, which helps me to reach the ultimate goal. How wonder. I feel I have started to maximize my potential. I feel the holistic well-being of myself. I feel proud to be the member of the Miltonian. And I would like to thank again Danny, Jitu, and all my friends. And thank you, nature.
Let me call upon who has never give up attitude, an intelligent person who works on artificial to soar great heights. He is MSc in Electronics Systems Design. He is from Thane. Put your hands together to welcome Milt Peak performer Akash Deep
Yeah,
Paulada.
come on.
So I am deeply thankful to Daniel Ji for giving us the opportunity to speak our hearts loud and to be able to raise our volume and more than volume, our presence with the way we communicate with people. That has been really something I have never experienced anywhere else. And the emphasis to keep, refining it and then share the way we want to speak with the other past Milt gurus, that has helped us to further get more and more feedback. And that feedback over the last 8 sessions is in itself very valuable. Thank you again so much. I really thank Daniel and the entire Milt teams. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we have a soft-spoken person who loves to travel and socializing with people. He is actually a government employee. He works with a Provident Fund organization. He is from the milk capital of India, Anand Guru. Let's welcome Milt Peak performer Shailesh Ashokbhai Goswami.
Yes.
Thank you, Vidya. And it is fabulous to join with the Peak Performer Workshop 16. And I am very lucky that Seema Gupta introduced me to this workshop. And this workshop had been a very fabulous for me. And actually, I am a very shy person, and now I am not a shy person. I am an extrovert person, and going very extremely fabulous and putting everything that I have, and I have learned to put everything that I have and to express myself. And as it is told that you should live the moment that you want to convey. And the HR sessions that were held up with all the persons, those who were joining from whole world, and that also helped me to interact with all the person in English too, and I am improving, and it will be helpful for me also. So once again, thank you, and the HR principles I will live up to. Thank you very much.
So now we have an angel, very graceful and dignified, who's got a great aspirations in life, who's pursuing 12th standard in St. Xavier's College in Mumbai. Let's welcome Milt Peak performer Sarah Dennis.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Hello, everyone. Milt for me is really a way of life. It taught me how to be a better version of myself. Honestly, I wasn't ready to be a part of Milt. My father and my mother, they pushed me to be a part of Milt, and I'll never regret it, because that is the best decision, best thing that has ever happened to me. You know, I wasn't that good at giving an impromptu talk, but now if anyone asks me to give an impromptu talk, I go for it. I'll give an impromptu for like 2 or 5 minutes and I can do it. All the sessions were so beautiful. They taught me so many things, and all the HR meetings especially felt like we were a part of family. We shared our things and we cared for each other. We are now like a Milt family. Thank you, Daniel sir, and thank you, Velu sir, for always being there and always teaching us to be a better version of ourselves. And thank you all the MILT family to help me grow in whatever I am. Thank you so much.
Now, we have a person who is intelligent, dedicated, and also committed, who is a BA graduate and aspiring to make a difference in people's life. He is from the God's own country, Palakkad, Kerala. Let's welcome MILT peak performer, Mukund N.
Yes, I feel at the top of the world, having completed all the 8 sessions. I am very happy, and I am very fortunate to have got such a platform. And I even recommend others to take up this program. It will be very useful for them. So it was very effective. My confidence has improved. I have become better in mingling, and the overall personality has improved, according to me. Thank you.
Now, last but not the least, this call goes to a person with loads of determination and dedication, who's got a beautiful charm on her face. She is presently working as a HR training manager in HDI India Private Limited. Let's call MILT peak performer Nidhi Amarpuri.
Yeah, Nidhi, come on.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. And it's been it's a big pleasure for me to be the part of the group of the leaders. And just because before this workshop, I was not even aware what is going to happen in this, because I was just only got information that I'm going to attend this. And I'm surprised what is going to happen. I was having absolutely no clue. But I'm blessed and thankful and grateful to Mrs. Indu and Mr. Daniel, that who has pushed me, Mrs. Indu has pushed me to attend this, and Mr. Daniel has changed my thinking, because before this workshop, I was literally drowning in the ocean of anxiety. And that phase was the most difficult phase of my life. But I came out of that phase, I'm back to life. I feel that just because of this workshop. And I'm absolutely grateful to all the participants, all the leaders, all the team members who are so nice, and they are always ready to hear you, the HR meetings. And my biggest takeaway from this workshop is the HR principles. I feel that those HR principles are my real wealth now. Thank you.